Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Jonathan Coates, and in today's free AI training, I'm going to be talking about Neuron Writer and how it can help business owners and content creators better prepare, edit, optimize their content. So I want to go through the dashboard here with you. I have an entire Google Docs that I'm going to be going over as we go over the dashboard. So this is the home page right here, NLP-based models, natural language processing, and it helps you throughout the whole spectrum of creating content. So let me go over the home page real quick, and then I just created an account. We're going to go over the dashboard together. And I also have an AI checklist right in the description. So if you're looking to boost your efficiency and have a checklist that you can have accompany you as you're creating content and you're sparking up creativity, then I definitely recommend this because this will really help you to boost efficiency. So definitely check this out. It's a free PDF download. You get the ultimate AI checklist for business owners and content creators. So on the very first page here, right when you sign up, it takes you here. Content, write a new query, analyze SERPs and competition for the given query keyword, write or optimize content with the help of the best SEO and NLP guidelines. So I would like to rank content for cooking recipes. And the country is Philippines. Language, English. Let's get started. So they have a 3-minute video here. I'm going to go ahead and try to plug this into the video. So it should start playing right about now.
Hi there, welcome to NeuronWriter. My name is Carolina and I'm super excited to welcome you here. We've created this video to make sure that you know exactly what to do when you start. So I'm going to walk you through a simple process of planning, writing and optimizing your content. But remember that if you have your content written already, you can skip the second stage and move straight to optimization. Now, let's begin. Okay, you start with creating new query that you want to rank high for. Then you choose the country you want your results for and the language. Once you complete that, you click the start button. From there, you will end up in the content queries window where you will find your analysis. Once it's ready, you click on it. Then you will be in the competitors window. Your task here is to select relevant competitors that have the same content type as you and have the highest content score. Once you are satisfied with your selection, you click Next. Now you are in writing stage. You start off with creating meta title and meta description. You can find them clicking on the field next to the title. You can write them yourself or use AI clicking on AI icon next to them. Once you're happy with them, you click Save and Close. Now, before you start writing your content, you need an outline. And again, you can build it yourself or you can follow my example here and use AI. Going to Outline tab and then choosing AI outline, then pressing Generate Outline. Once your outline is ready, it's time to write your content. And as you can guess by now, you can write it yourself or you can use one of our AI options. You can find them in AI Writing tab. This time we are going for article based on your outline template. Once your content is ready, it's time for the last step, that is optimization. That's all. I hope it helps. In case you need a further explanation of the steps that I've just explained, we have videos waiting for you, so please check them out and use them whenever you need them. Lastly, I just want to say thank you for the feedback that you are giving us, as it helps us enormously to make NeuronWriter better, so using it will be easy, simple and, well, enjoyable for you. So thank you so much for that. And thank you for watching this video. I will see you soon. Bye.
All right, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. I think she can do a lot of a better job than I can. So I'm going to let her be the main authority there on as far as like giving you a tour and walkthrough. But let's go ahead and check out the dashboard. So we're going to go to the content writer here. All right, select the competitors to use as a reference for creating guidelines. So it looks like it's identified all of the different competitors for me. This choice affects the suggestion provided by the editor. You may want to select your true competitors and pages matching your expected content type. It is advised to select at least 5 pages. You'll be able to alter the selection later on below the content score. All right, it looks like we're now on the page that she just gave us a tour and tutorial of. So I'm going to try to get more familiar with this as I'm in the culinary niche as well as health and fitness. So this looks like something that's very helpful for me. They got different benefits: content optimization, topical authority, generative AI, content management. So you can optimize your website content. And with semantic models, as I was telling you, NLP, natural language processing. Now, I actually thought it was neural linguistic programming. I was like, Google SERP analysis and competition data. NeuronWriter helps you to plan, write, and optimize content with user intent in mind. So this is what it looks like right here. As you can see on the right-hand side, they got all these different terms and whatnot. So natural language processing based recommendations for content. Semantical expert at your service. So the NLP terms, content that ranks in Google. Use NLP terms, suggested words and phrases found from your top ranking competitors in Google. Write with simple to follow NLP based suggestions of terms to cover the topic with related terms. So you get topic relevant phrases. Boost your content with NLP terms, a couple of topical knowledge gaps. Document draft, article structure in minutes. Increase your content creation productivity with the built-in draft generator. Add headlines with ideas based on competitors' best headlines and relevant questions from Google. So this is pretty dope right here. As you can see, they got the content ideas, article layout, quickly create a content outline, no time spent on research, competitor insights. So you get the insights from your competitors, and you got a content score. Monitor key text parameters and overall text content quality with content score. It's based on key SEO factors and works very intuitively. The more points you achieve, the more effectively the content is optimized. Yeah, it does seem pretty simple. So score points for good content, easy to follow checklist, and compare with any URLs from the top 30. Really cool. And then content ideas, discover users' intent. When you're stuck on an article and don't know what to write next, look at the relevant ideas section. So if you're having brain fog or if you're having writer's block, they can serve as excellent inspiration for the following articles section or even for your next publication. Find questions related to your topic. Basically using user intent. What are people searching for? Explore competitors' headlines and get ideas directly from YouTube. And AI writing, save your time when needed. So you got like a little chat bot, it looks like over here. Write whole articles with AI in just a few single clicks. The most well-known and advanced commercial language model are at your service to create high-quality content relevant to your topic in less than 5 minutes. Save your time on writing, no longer experience writer's block, and use built-in AI templates. So you can cover the whole process to build topical authority, relevant next content ideas, explore topic-related ideas for your next articles, save hours on brainstorming, long-term publication plan, enhance communication and plan more high-demand content. The topic authority grows as you add more relevant and informative content. Enrich and complete the topic, create valuable content, build topical authority. It has a content manager, manage and execute with ease, a clear planner with task lists and statutes. Helps both the copywriter and the supervising team track and see the progress in collaborative writing work. And then content publishing, publish and integrate with ease. Has Chrome extensions, WordPress API. The Chrome extension, you're able to edit content directly in a Shopify, Google Docs, and WordPress. And for WordPress, you can use as well native API WordPress integration to import and export specific posts and pages. And if you would like to work with ChatGPT-like interfaces, NeuronWriter allows exporting recommendations in form of AI prompts. So this can help you to reach #1 in Google, understand user intent, choose direct competitors with similar types of content, plan document structure based on useful information, optimize and enrich content with semantical SEO. They got AI templates here. They even have a Facebook community, so that's pretty cool. Let's check that out. Okay, so it doesn't allow pages to join. I'm currently logged in as the Affiliate Marketing Samurai. I'll definitely go ahead and request to join that. My membership is pending, and I'll definitely try to make future videos about this if it becomes as useful as I would like it to be. Personally, I'm going to stick to Mass Planner. I feel like Mass Planner can do everything that this thing can do. So they give you a free trial where you can try out their different premium features. So before I go over this with you, let me go ahead and read how NeuronWriter can help out business owners and content creators. So we all understand that content is king, but creating it can be a war. In today's digital landscape, high quality content reigns supreme. It attracts leads, builds trust, and positions your brand as an authority. But content creation can be a constant struggle. Busy schedules, writer's block, and staying on top of SEO best practices all pose challenges. So enter Neuron Writer, your AI-powered content creation ally. This is where Neuron Writer steps in. This innovative content intelligence platform leverages AI to streamline and empower your content creation process. So here's how Neuron Writer benefits both business owners and content creators. Boost SEO and organic traffic, identify high-ranking keywords, analyze competitor content, and optimize your writing for the search engines. Neuron Writer empowers you to create content that attracts organic traffic and drives results. Content creation on autopilot, break through writer's block and generate fresh ideas. Use AI writing features to kickstart your content or fill in sections, saving you valuable time and effort. Content quality check, as I was showing you with the score. Ensure your content is clear, concise, and engaging. Neuron Writer analyzes your writing, suggesting improvements for readability and overall quality. Stay ahead of the curve. Stay informed about the latest SEO trends and best practices. Neuron Writer keeps you updated on what matters most for content success. So whether you're a business owner yearning for a content creation edge or a content creator seeking to streamline your workflow, Neuron Writer definitely offers a powerful solution to help you to create high quality SEO optimized content that gets seen. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like content like this, then I highly recommend that you check out my website, jonathancoast.com. I talk about everything when it comes to generating traffic and increasing sales. And also look at my playlist on this YouTube channel, as well as the archives and categories on my website for artificial intelligence and automation. I got about 100 videos so far on this subject. And take a look at the tools and the resources below. For this website right here, I'll have this document as well as the Facebook group so you can get started. There's 11,000 people in this community. So let me go ahead and refresh the screen and see if I'm a member yet. So it looks like I am a member. And if you click on feature here, it looks like they got updates on everything that they're working on. I have everything that I included in this video, as well as the pinned comment by the Affiliate Marketing Samurai. And with that said, I will see you in the next video. See you then.